purpose of this video is to go over 1.1 in Wiley. So we look at the 1.1 homework, and the question was on number 21. So we're asked to deal with this function. We're after graph it, we have to make sure it meets these three conditions. So the domain is from -1 to 1, and then we know the value at -1, 0, and 1. So if I click here, I know the value at -1, 0, and 1 is 0. So if I get a point at -1 is 0, I'm going to drag that point. At 0, it's 0, and at 1, it's 0. And you can zoom in on this if you're having trouble getting that point exactly where it's at. If you click to move on that point, depending on the browser, it will tell you this is -1, 0. And then the limit as it is approaching -1 to the right is going to 3. So pulling in this function here, and this is the only option I have, so I need to move this so that, and this is where I was talking about it would give you the x coordinate and the y coordinate. So I want this point to be at 0, 3. So I need to be careful the way I position that. So the limit as x approaches -1 from the right, 0, and at -1 from the left is 3. And you can see this function meets those criteria. So if you zoom out, and now if I submit the answer, it's going to tell me that it's correct. And then after you get a correct answer, you have, or you get it wrong 3 times, you have show solution or a link to a video you might have that can kind of explain it as you go. And this might just be something like the book publisher put together about graphing functions or something. So if you have any more questions, please let me know.